Welcome to day 7 of the Detox Series. Today's theme is chill and rest. So as we move throughout the practice today, think of breathing deeply, moving slowly, and taking care of you, yourself, to chill, rest, and restore. To begin, come to a seated position. Soles of the feet are flat to the mat, inner hip distance. You'll take your hands just below where the knees are. Inhale, lift up tall through the chest. And as you exhale, extend the arms out all the way, rounding the spine. 4 more like that. Inhale. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift up tall. Exhale, chin to chest, round the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lifting. Take your hands behind you, scoot your bum forward, lower all the way down towards your back. And we're going to take a reclining pigeon. So as you bend your knees, cross your right ankle over the left knee. Right foot stays flexed. Stay as is, or weave your hands through, grab the back of your left thigh. Keep your head, your shoulders relaxed. And as an option, you can extend your left leg up towards the ceiling. Keep the left leg active and engaged, and the right knee drawing forward to the front of the mat. Twisting out the spine, hug the right knee in, and on the exhale, bring the knee over to the left. Gaze up or over, looking at your right fingertips. Let each exhale wring out your spine. And we're going to go ahead and switch. So cross your left ankle over the right knee, reclining pigeon. Again, start with the hands to the back of the right thigh, or that option to extend the legs straight up towards the ceiling. Maybe that's a nice focal point for your gaze, up at your right toes. Let each exhale relax you into the mat, while still staying focused on that outer left leg. Hug the knee in for our twist. Knee draws to the right, looking up at the ceiling or over your left fingertips. Deep breath in, and on the exhale you can twist. Inhale back to center. Hug the knee in. And you're going to hug both knees in actually. From here, coming up to lunge with the right foot forward, left leg back. Give yourself time to set up in this. So again, the right foot is forward, left leg is back, left knee is down towards the mat. Take your hands to the top of your right knee and allow the hips to sink forward and down. Hands can stay at the knee or extend the arms up overhead. Feel energy move out through the fingertips. Coming into a half split, hands come down. Now move that back leg back a little bit as you extend the front leg. Maybe there's still a bend in that right leg, or straighten it out all the way, keeping a long spine. Here's a little tip, use your fingertips. And an option to curl your toes towards your shin. Rebend that right knee. You're going to plant the palms, come into tabletop position. 3 rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, arching the spine. Exhale, rounding, cat back. Inhale, looking forward or up. Exhale, rounding. 1 more with the breath. Inhale. And exhale, press, rounding. Taking to the other side, step the left foot between the hands. Start with the palms to the top of your left knee. And the option of staying there or extending the arms up overhead, just like we did on the other side. See where it feels good for your gaze. Coming into a half split, extending the left leg out in front of you. Inhale, long spine. And exhale if there's space to fold. Breathing. And you're ready to rebend that left knee. Plant the palms. Bring your left knee back. And we're back in that tabletop. And again, coming into cat-cow. Inhale. And exhale. Inhaling. And exhale, round. Shift your way forward, lower all the way down towards the belly. Take your right arm out to the right side, perpendicular to the body. Lower your right ear to the mat and roll into your right side, stretching out all of the shoulder, the chest. As an option, you can step your left foot behind you, but there's no need to force it if it doesn't go naturally. Coming back to center as we switch sides, left arm extends, left ear comes down to the floor. Rolling onto your left side. That option of stepping now your right foot behind you, but again, only optional. Coming back to center, tense up to your fingertips, elbows up towards the ceiling. Peel your chest away from the mat, gaze forward, and exhale, lower back down. 2 more. Inhale, rising, lifting. Exhale, slinky your way down. 1 more. Inhale, inhale, gaze comes up last. Exhale, exhale. Plant your palms, press back. We're in a tabletop position again, hips over the knees. Now to twist. Take your right arm out to the right side. Inhale. And on the exhale, weave your arm through, coming onto your right shoulder and your right ear. Twist and bring out the spine. And as we switch sides, come back through tabletop. Left arm extends. And then exhale, weave the arm through, coming onto your left ear. It's important to keep the top of your feet connected to the mat, so keep pressing down. Coming back to center. Reground, tabletop position, and then turn the fingertips to face towards the knees, if that feels okay in your wrists, or you can turn the fingers out. Now, if you're with me, start to take 5 rounds of cat-cow like this. Moving with the inhale, moving with the exhale. Breathe. One more. Inhale. Exhale, round. Come back to neutral, flip the palms back over. Now let's wake up those toes. Sit them back towards your heels. And this may be enough for you. Or as you start to lean some weight back, lift the knees away from the mat, stretching the tops of your feet. Lower the knees back down. And in the opposite, tuck the toes under now. Sit them back towards your heels. And as the name suggests, we just chill and rest here. All right, let go of that. One more time, draw the knees up. And we're going to come off those toes, come onto seated, legs extended out in front of you. As we set up in a twist, you're going to bend your right knee, plant the foot to the mat. Right, the left arm reaches up, inhale, and as you twist to the right, use each exhale to wring out the belly, your spine. Chill, rest, and reset. And as we come back to center, take the sole of your right foot inside the left thigh. Hips are square here. Inhale, deep breath. You're going to walk your hands over to the left. We're working the lower back here. A little bit of a twist combined with the forward fold. As we switch sides, right leg extends, left knee bends. First our twist. Right arm reaches up, inhale. Exhale, twisting to the left side. See that your right leg is straight, strong, and active. And you're using that exhale to twist. Now, coming into that fold, draw the sole of your left foot inside right thigh. Your hands crawl over towards the right. A little bit of a twist first, then as we fold. This works the low back, so breathe into that space. Keep your left sit bone connected to the ground and breathe. And now rise back up. Bend both knees, now coming into a forward fold over both of the legs. Inhale, deep breath. And exhale, folding. Maybe both of the legs extend all the way. Doesn't have to. But feel into the back of the hamstrings. And now rise back up. Bend the knees, take the soles of the feet flat to the mat. Press down through the palms. Now you're going to lift the hips away from the mat. Reverse tabletop. Keep lifting the hips, gazing up towards the ceiling. And then extend the legs back out, lower down. One more time, forward folding. See if you can let the breaths be a little bit longer and a little bit deeper this second time around. Inhale, rise back up, coming into a cross-legged position, however is comfortable. Maybe like me, maybe you're up on a pillow, either way. And let's finish this out. Take a side bend, right hand down, left arm reaching up overhead. Sweep it down through center and switch sides. Now the right arm lifts. Reverse that, right hand down around through center, left arm reaching up. And last one, come down around through center, right arm reaching up. Come all the way back up to seated. Interlace the hands, small the back. Now your elbows might stay bent or extended like mine. Just keep a long spine. Press the back of your head behind you. Relax and release. Roll out the neck, right side, left side. Come on back to center. Chilled and rested. Great job today on day 7, warriors. See you tomorrow on day 8.